Hey guys, it's Clary and today I'll be showing you how to enable voice chat on an Enshroudded server. Firstly, all you have to do is head over to your Server.pro panel, then select your server. Once you're inside the server, click stop to shut down the server. We recommend waiting for the server to fully stop before making any changes. This is to make sure no errors occur. Once that's done, click the files button, then click server, and then find Enshroudded Server.json. Inside there, all you have to do is locate the enable voice chat setting, then change the value to true. After that, you can also change the voice chat mode. Find the voice chat mode setting, and you can edit the value to say proximity or global. With proximity, players can only hear others who are nearby in game, and it creates a more immersive survival experience. However, with global, players can hear everyone on the server regardless of location. However, once you've done, save the changes, and then return to the home tab. There you can click start to start your server up again, and voice chat will be enabled. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro.